Welcome to SRMV News. Legal counselors for Johnny Depp and Amber Heard are meeting in court once again, allowing them one final opportunity to settle their case before the decision is conclusive. Legal advisors for Johnny Depp and Amber Heard are set to square off again Friday in a court meeting that will decide if the two entertainers will haul out their fight in court or settle it for the last time. On June 1st, a jury conveyed a preliminary decision that found they slandered one another. It slanted vigorously in support of Depp. The jury said he demonstrated every one of the three of his cases against Heard and merited $15 million in punitive fees, a figure the appointed authority decreased to about $10 million for legal reasons. Of Heard's three cases against Depp, members of the jury gave her only one success and said she ought to get $2 million in penalties. Yet, Judge Penny Ajkarate, the appointed authority supervising the preliminary, didn't enter the jury decision into the agenda. All things being equal, she said she'd do it on Friday except if the two gatherings consented to a settlement. Benjamin Chew, a lawyer addressing Depp, recently proposed a settlement might be on the table. In a meeting with the Great Morning America have George Stephanopoulos, Chew said Depp could consent to a repayment in which he postpones financial harms as a trade-off for Heard making a deal to avoid engaging the case. We clearly can't reveal any lawyer-client correspondences, however, as Mr. Depp affirmed, and as we both clarified in our separate closings, this was never about cash for Mr. Depp, Chew said. This was tied in with re-establishing his standing, and that's what he's done. Elaine Bredhoft, a lawyer addressing Heard, told NBC's Today that Heard couldn't manage the $8 million she owed Depp and that she intended to pursue the case. In a different meeting with Today, Heard said she remained by her declaration in the slander preliminary. A settlement could take another structure. The gatherings might consent to drop a portion of the criticism claims from the decision, lessen or wipe out the harms owed, or smooth out the installment cycle by having Heard pay Depp $8.35 million, as opposed to the $10.35 million she owes Depp, with Depp paying Heard $2 million in a different exchange. Delegates for both Depp and Heard declined to remark on settlement exchanges. Depp sued Heard in March 2019, charging she stigmatized him by distributing a Washington Post commentary in which she portrayed herself as a casualty of abusive behavior at home. Heard recorded a countersuit, charging Depp manhandled her previously and during their marriage, which finished in 2016, and that he criticized her through proclamations from his legal counselor considering her cases a fabrication. Both famous people affirmed in their 6-week preliminary at the Fairfax County, Virginia, town hall. At the 11 a.m. hearing Friday, Ajkarate may likewise acknowledge oral contentions from each side over the jury decision. Depp and Heard aren't by and by expected to be in the court during the consultation, Sami Abdullah, Ajkarate's agent, told Insider. In the event that the two don't consent to a settlement, and Ajkarate enters the jury decision, then, at that point, the case will move to the Court of Appeals of Virginia following 21 days, Abdullah told Insider. By then, the gatherings would have 30 days to document a notification of allure. Thanks for watching.